Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorrad. In this episode you can expect that 650 motor to get back into its original frame and get started for the first time and hopefully run sweet. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so back to the BMW F650 GS. It's apparently a very fun bike to drive. I don't know, I've never driven one. Hopefully we get a chance to do that at some point. Today we're going to be putting this motor back into the frame. Nothing much to it but struggling because I'm man alone. So we're going to attempt getting these two top bolts in through the top. Get the engine hoisted up and get a rear engine mount bolt through. So stay tuned. Slide this motor into general position. Would be good to jack this thing up. I don't know how we're gonna lift this, guys. I managed to get a gearbox into a Ford Transit man alone, so I'm hoping this can be done. I have got a jack somewhere that we might end up using. I just want to get it into a plus minus good relation to the frame. Job done. Far from it. Remarks. Gets it. No. About 20 millimeters away from glory on the two top nuts. Again, just keep pushing it in the right direction. Oh, the jack's going to be too short. I think I can get one bolt in, guys. I do. Wash it. There's a bolt on there, man. Ooh, so clever. I think we got a bolt. Oh, my first bolt in, boys and girls. And that. Be correct. We've managed to get a bolt in. That means the motor, she's going to be safer now. What I do need to get the other one in, which is this one. And that might mean moving the other jack. Here we go. Getting there. This side is down by about 5 millimeters. Loosen the other jack because I think it's counter-attacking us. Oh. Okay. Get out of here. Need to still move the motor back. Take it out of the way, set it out of the way. Oh, it's off. Just want to get in the camera. Just need to jiggle the back in. Alright, take a little bit of a break. Oh, I think we are there, guys. So I let move back and forward. The main rear mounting bolt. I'm going to try to tap that through and hopefully that clears this one, and this one gives it space too. That's just me aligning it. Now we know if that's free, we should be okay. I'm going to go ahead and tap the main bolt through, and hopefully if that goes through, we are A for away, guys. If I see that one coming out, then I know this one is taking its place. There we go. Hitting something not right before we force it. Just spin this round and round. Here we go. Starting to show face. Hoorah! Washer and bolt this side. Okay. Here we go. Motor is in, ladies and gentlemen. Backwards here. Soft 21. Hand. Just make sure the other side's not spinning around with us. And it is. So need to get another socket on that side quickly. Okay, I'm balancing the rear end of this nut, hopefully. Supports our rear swing arm, so I want to make sure we get it tight. I think that's going to do us, guys. So don't kill it either. Okay. Okay, that's that. done. Let's get our top mount buttoned up. Easy does it. Isn't that easy, guys? Not too difficult either. Alright, so our motor is in. The only thing left for me to do is to figure out and remember exactly where all these wires connect to, get that connected. My priority right now is just to get the engine to crank and start and make sure that we're happy with it. So I'm going to connect the necessities. Obviously all the electrical sensors need to be plugged in. So enjoy the track while I fast track this video for you guys. I'm just going to be going around connecting all the little electrical units and buttoning this up just for a start. If it starts, we can start cleaning it up and getting it showroom ready. It's not going to be a showroom bike, guys, just a fun bike apparently. So stay tuned and let me get this together for you guys. Guys, motor's back together. Here we go. All the electricals I think are connected. We hope so. There is a possibility we've missed something. I hope not. It's our throttle body back in with the injector connected. Our ignition coils are connected. All these wires are connected. There are there's like an open one here, but I do remember that it was like that. That's just got a blank on it. There was another one. There's another one up here that I, for the life of me, can't see where that goes. It doesn't look too dirty as if it was somewhere before. We'll see, we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to hook up my jump pack directly to the leads. See what we get, guys. Okay. Yeah. Difficult to do this with one here, not too bad though. Okay. My El Cheapo jumper pack is sorted. There we are. I'm going to connect that directly. I did give it a bit of a sand on that. There we go. Let's get our negative connected. Sorry guys. Alright, power connected. I can see it showing 00 on the clock. You like the way I sprayed this, guys? It's a nice matte satin black. I did that while I was waiting for these parts. Okay, that should be ignition on. Okay, what's happening here? Please, please, please. Don't give us a story. You want to see this? Okay, I've got lights, guys. I've got lights. What do you think? Will it start? First start after an engine rebuild. Now remember, there is no oil in this. The idea is not to get it to run. It's just to see whether or not we've made a difference. So I'm going to switch it on and off twice. Get that fuel to prime. I don't hear anything. Okay, I'm just going to hit the starter, guys. Sounds good, sounds good. Alright, difficult to do this with one hand. The cranking sounds good, no funny knocks and bangs. I'm going to put you guys down for a second. Okay. Like I said, I'm worried about that electrical connector. I'm not sure. I look at the other parts that have to still go back here, and nothing electric about those, so not too sure, guys. I must say I don't hear the fuel priming, so that could be a story there. Okay. Actually. There is a foot stand kill switch, guys, and I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference. Haha. That's going to have to go in there. But I feel that could be a problem. I heard the fuel pump prime, so this got something to do with the fuel pump. Okay, I'm going to do that. Now we're priming. Okay, I'm going to try and start our GS 650 up for the first time, and will it run? I see the fuel shooting through, that's a great sign. I just made a big oil mess, guys. Right, I'm going to connect up the oil tank. There could also be an oil pressure sensor that's picking up a fault and stopping the spark from happening. So I'm going to connect our oil filter. Hang 10, we'll be back. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see from there, but I'm going to block a little bit of the air off on the throttle body. Let's see if we get a bit of a different story here. It wants to go. Come on. Still a bit awkward in that position. Let's try again. Here we go. It's sounding better and better. Maybe the fuel's just trying to get through. Although I did top some up and it's injection, so it should be right there. Sounds good to me, guys. There's no water in this thing, but it started to sound better and better every time. I've obviously got to just adjust a couple of things, put water in the system, and see what happens. Yeah.